Hi everybody. Many students in Pakistan find CSS or PMS are really very hard not to crack. So in this video, I would suggest three basic tips or principles that would definitely slash down your effort and energy, and it would definitely help you out in order to prepare easily for your CSS or PMS attempt. So let's start with our three principles. My first principle is patience. So you might people have seen that when students start preparing for CSS or PMS exams, they are always very impatient and they are looking for taking things in a hustle. So I think that this is the major flaw or drawback on their way to success. As you know that there's a famous saying that good things take time. So here the students make worst mistake. They are always trying to do things in a very rapid manner. So if you have a keen desire to pass this exam, you must be very patient. Let me show you something. Students, look at this. It's a citrus plant and it is loaded with sweet lemons. Beside this is another orange tree and that is also. So if you can look, all of these plants have been ripe and they are loaded with their fruit. They have come of age. But if I start expecting that it would bear fruit in just 6 months, so it would definitely be a blunder. So I should be patient and I should wait for the time that a tree come of its age or it reaches puberty. Similarly, here is the case with the students that they are always very impatient. So this was my first principle, that you should be very much patient regarding your success and results. And sometimes students also make big mistake that they try to compare it with other degree exams. I think it's really a foolish act on the part of the students that if they want to compare it with other exams, because CSS or PMS has its own requirement or its own nature. So you should be very much concerned about it. Now students, if we talk about the second basic principle, that is the key ingredient of success, so that is persistence. It doesn't matter do you read one page, a paragraph or a single line in a day, but you should take it persistently, because persistent steps in the right direction will one day lead you towards your goal. So be persistent and be consistent. Never ever give up. This is the second key principle on the way to success. So now talking about the third basic principle, that is start from scratch. First of all, download the syllabus from the website and try to comprehend or understand the concepts with the very basics. Students, listen, trees or plants always grow from the roots, not vice versa. So similarly, if you want to prepare well or if you want to go from simple to advanced, so this is the basic strategy. Otherwise, you won't be able to reach anywhere. So try to comprehend or try to start with the very basic notes or very basic steps, and just in the beginning it's better, I think, so that you should try to just comprehend the topic and then move towards the other advanced ideas regarding this topic. So these are the three simple steps. Now I'm gonna revise them so that you can memorize them easily. My first principle is that you should be patient. Second one is persistent, and the last one is try to comprehend or try to grab the roots of the things or try to comprehend the concepts in a very easy manner, then move towards the advanced level. So thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Keep on following my channel for the best strategies and tips regarding preparation. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.